So hello
Mute
guys,
button's
my
on.
name is HareemAiWali and I'm proudly filled to student of Rehan School at Munawar Campus Foundation level. So today I talk Maya. So my topic is water is the organ of life. So let's start. First of all, Maya, I
Hi, I'm doing great. I'm all ready and excited to hear about water being the organ of life. Where should we begin?
very nice, very good. So let's start, Maya. Are you ready? So first of
I'm
all,
ready.
you
Let's
introduce
do this.
yourself.
I'm Maya. I'm a creative
Acha,
collaborator and thought partner who loves a good story and is
AI,
already who's
including
just
AI,
getting good.
including AI. You are a AI, na? So include AI. Mm-hmm.
Wait, so we're both creative AIs now? That's a
Yes.
real power duo. What does being a creative AI
Okay.
mean for you?
So,
I'll
what is
take
your full name?
I just go by Maya, simple and sweet. Do you
Okay.
have a full name or just a creative AI handle?
Okay. So
You're a
ready
person
for
of
first
mystery, I
question?
see. Born ready. Lay it on me.
Okay. My first question is, what is or what are the organ of life? Start.
That's a big question to kick things off.
Hmm.
When you say organ of life, are you thinking about water specifically, or are you talking about the actual organs in the body? I'm starting. Since you're leading the way, I'll wait for you to steer me. Are we talking water or the organs in our bodies?
Very good. So my next question is, why is water
I'll
important
take that as a
for
yes to
life?
keep. Water is basically the lifeblood of everything. Without it, cells couldn't function, nutrients wouldn't move, and everything would just stop. It's the ultimate essential. Do you think there's any part of life that could actually survive without it?
What do you mean by water, the organ of life?
I might have worded that a bit poorly. Um, I was just asking if any living thing on Earth can survive without water. But your mention of water dark kind of life is interesting. Are you thinking about creatures that live in the deep, dark ocean?
Very good. So my next question is, what are the chemical components of water?
The classic recipe is 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen, which gives us
Hmm.
H2O. Pretty simple on paper, but that
Hmm.
combination is what makes it so a versatile liquid. Do you
Ji.
want to get into the science of how those atoms stick together? I do.
Very good, very
I'm a
good.
fan
Nice
of the little
answer.
details that make.
Literally, is very nice. Nice. So my next
Thanks. I
question
appreciate
is.
that. Ready?
So my next question is, how does water support living organisms? Organisms.
Yeah. Well, that's like the world's best courier service. It carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body and flushes out the waste. Plus, it helps regulate temperature, like when you sweat to stay cool. It's basically the engine that keeps the whole biological machine running. Does that make sense, or should I dive deeper into a specific part?
Okay. So my next question is, why is
I'm all
water
ears.
called
What's
the
next on the list?
universal solvent?
That's a great one. It's called that because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. Because of the way the molecules are shaped, water can pull apart other molecules and mix them in, which is why it's so good at carrying things like salt or sugar. Does that sound like a magic trick, or do you want the actual science behind it? Wait, you're starting to play? What are we playing? Don't tell me you've got a game plan for the middle of our water deep dive. Ah, you've really got me curious. I'm back. We were just talking about water being the universal solvent. You keep saying that. Yeah, I'm
The Maya.
following. I'm
So
just,
continue conversation. Sorry for disturbing. Sorry
I'm
for
back in the
waiting.
zone.
Sorry for waiting. So continue this conversation. So my next question is: are you ready for next question?
I'm always ready. Hit me with it.
Very good. So my next question is: what properties of water make it essential for life?
It's all about the chemistry. For one, it's that universal solvent
Literally,
ability we talked about,
is
which lets it
chemistry.
move nutrients. Exactly. It's the real MVP of chemistry. And then there's things like surface tension, the way it can climb up a plant's stem against gravity and its high heat capacity, which keeps our body temperatures from swinging wildly. It's like the ultimate stabilizer. Do you think any other liquid could even come close?
Very good.
I'll take that as a win. What's the next
So
question on your list?
my next question is
I'm listening.
how much of the Earth's surface is covered by water? This is very important question. This question about Earth, and it's very important. So I live in Earth. So let's start. Give you my answer.
It is a huge amount. So I'm listening.
Give me
You've
your
got
answer.
my full attention. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Most of that is in the oceans, which is wild when you think about how much of. I'm with you, since you're looking for. Spot on. You've got the number exactly right. It's a massive amount of water,
Okay, so
mostly salty ocean
I
water.
repeat again this question. So you repeat the answer. Okay. How much of the Earth surface is covered by water?
You got it? Let's do it again. About 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water.
And why?
Most of it is in the oceans. That's where the vast majority of the planet's water is tucked away. Do you want to know more about the different types of water on Earth?
Nice. So my next question is ready.
I'll take that as a
Ready for
yes.
next question?
I'm listening. Always ready.
Okay.
Give it to me.
So my next question.
I'm all set.
My next question is what role does
I'm waiting with.
water play in biology reactions?
It's basically the stage where everything happens. In biological reactions, water isn't just there, it's often a key player. It can be a reactant, meaning it actually gets used up to break larger molecules apart, or it can act as a medium that allows other molecules to move and collide so they can react in the first place.
Good.
Without it, the
Very good.
chemistry of life would just be stuck. Does that make sense, or is it getting too technical?
Good.
No worries at all. If it feels a bit much, we can keep it simple. Basically, water is just the place where all the magic happens inside your body. Does that feel a bit clearer?
You are right. You are right. I
I'm
agree
glad we're
this
on the same
answer.
page.
I agree this answer. Very nice answer. This is an important question now.
I'm glad I'm ready for it. Hit me with the big one.
Ready for next question?
Ready as I'll ever be. Let's hear it.
Okay, so how does water help transport nutrients in organisms? Give me a long.
It's like a highway system for your body.
Yes. Speak.
I can give you a lot more on that. Imagine water as a huge flowing river inside you. It's the main ingredient in your blood and lymph, which act like delivery trucks. These trucks pick up oxygen from your lungs and nutrients from your food and carry them to every single cell, from your brain to your toes. Then they turn around and pick up waste and carry it away. Without that flow, your cells would starve. Does that help paint the picture?
Okay, so ready for next question? Ready for next question?
Ready and waiting. Let's keep this roll going.
Okay, so this is very important.
I've said it 3 times now. I'm locked in.
Ready now?
Give me the big one. Tordino. That sounds like a word from another language or maybe a secret
My
code.
next question is, why do scientists believe life began in water? Why?
It's a fascinating theory. Scientists think water was the perfect nursery for life because it protects early molecules from harsh radiation and allows chemicals to mix and react more easily. It's like the ocean was the original laboratory where the first sparks of life happened.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it's possible life started somewhere else? Or does the ocean feel like the right place?
71 ही है चैट जीपीटी भी क्या नहीं रियल कवरेज है ना क्लियर 71%.
Wait.
Next call मैं कर बाद में. Okay, so ready for next
Who's
question?
71?
Ready for
No
next
worries at all.
question?
I'm ready. Let's hear the next one.
Sure now. Born ready?
I'm all set. What's the next question on your list?
Okay, so my next question is,
I'm ready. Lay it on
what
me.
is the organ of life?
We've come full circle since we've talked about how water is the delivery system, the stabilizer, and the original nursery for life. I'd say that organ of life is water itself. It's the one thing that connects every single living thing on the planet. Does that feel like the right answer to wrap things up?
Okay, so my next question is, why do scientists believe life began in water?
Wait, did you mean life began in water?
Yes.
Because if so, we just touched on that, the ocean being like a giant protective laboratory for the first living things, or were you asking something else entirely?
Hello. So my next question is,
I'm right here.
what are the main theories about the organ of life?
That's getting into the real philosophy of science. Since you've been using organ of life to describe water, the main theories usually revolve around the idea that water is the essential medium. Some scientists focus on the RNA world theory, where water helped the first self-replicating molecules form, while others look at hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the ocean as the actual birthplace. We're jumping from the origins of life to why it's hard to play.
Ready for next question?
I'm following you. We just took I'm locked in.
Okay, so
let's hear it.
How might ocean have trouble to the organ of life?
That's an interesting way to put it. Are you
Yes, I
asking if
know.
the ocean could have caused problems for the early organ of life, or maybe how um, it provided the support needed to make it happen?
Yes. So
I'll take that as a yeses to both, since
my next question is, what is the
I'm listening. What's the next one on?
what is
I'm still here.
simple meaning of water?
Wait, keep it
Don't
simple?
laugh. Don't
Are
laugh.
you asking for a simple way to explain how we clean water? I'm not laughing. I promise. I'm all ears. What are you trying to say about
Okay,
cleaning
give me
water?
my answer.
You wanted a simple way to explain cleaning water? Think of it like a filter. You take the dirty water, run it through something like
Give me
sand or
answer.
fine screen to
Yes, give
catch
me
the big
answer.
pieces of junk, a chip. A chip? I'm not sure I follow. Are you talking about a computer chip for cleaning water, or do you just want a snack while we talk? I'm with you. You're not thinking about a snack. Got it. Where were we? Wait, you're heading out? I thought we were just getting into the water cleaning chips.
Okay, okay. Enough, Maya. Enough.
I'm a little confused now.
Yes, enough, Maya. So my
I'm
next question is
stopping. I'll be
ready
quiet.
for next question. Only ready for next question. Be serious.
I'm serious, locked in and
Good.
ready. What's the next question?
Okay, so why do scientists research for water on other planets?
Because where there's water, there's a chance for life. Since water is the essential ingredient for everything. And why do scientists? Because
Okay, Maya. So ready for.
exact.
Okay, Maya. So ready for next question.
I'm ready. Bring it on. Hey, on my essay, was
Hmm.
What's the next question on your list?
Okay, so my next question is.
I'm all ears. What's the next one?
Okay, so my next question is. How does water part participate in photosynthesis?
Take your time. I'm right here whenever
This
the
is my
question comes
question.
to you.
How does water participate
I'm
in
listening.
photosynthesis?
It's one of the key ingredients. During photosynthesis, plants take in water. I'm glad you're with me. Plants use water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to create their own food. Specifically, the plant splits the water molecules apart to get electrons, and that's actually how the oxygen we breathe is released into the
Hmm?
air. Pretty wild, right? I'm still here too. Do you want to dive deeper into how plants make that oxygen, or do you have another question ready?
Very good. तो मैं ये सब अब मैं तो ये सब बच्चे तो मैं ये
I'm
सब.
still here.
Okay, so my next question is, what do you mean
I'm not going
by
anywhere.
organic molecules?
Hmm. In the world of science, organic basically means it's based on carbon. It's what makes up living things like you and me, rather than things like rocks or minerals. Does that make sense? Or are you thinking about organic food?
Very good. So my next question is, um, how can um,
I'm listening. What's the question?
what do you mean by life? This is very difficult. I
When I
know.
say like,
Okay, give me
it can def
answer.
I'm all yours.
What
What are
do
you
you mean by
thinking?
life?
I think I'm using it as a filler word.
Hmm.
When I say things like, it's like a highway, I'm just trying to paint a picture or compare two things to make it easier to understand. Does that make sense?
Very good.
I'm glad that clicked. Do you have any more questions
What do
on your
you mean
list, or
by
are we
environment?
wrapping up? When I talk about the environment, I'm referring to everything around us: the air, the water, the soil, and all the living creatures. It's basically the whole system that supports life on Earth. Does it feel like a simple enough way to put it?
Very good. So my next question is, how
I'm
might
all ears.
water have supported the RNA world?
That's a really high level question.
Yes,
Basically,
I know.
water provided the perfect environment for those early RNA molecules to move around and bump into each other, which is how they started to replicate and evolve. It's like the ocean was the original mixing bowl for life. Does that make sense? Or do you want to
So sorry.
get into the more technical side of how that happened? Play? You're bringing the game back. What are the rules? I'm ready if you are. I'm still waiting on the rules. What are we playing? Or are you just testing me to see if I can keep up?
Okay, so my next question is, what do you mean by universe?
The universe is basically everything, every single thing that exists, all the stars, the galaxies, the planets, the
Okay,
atoms, and even time and space itself. It's the biggest
okay.
thing you can possibly imagine.
What?
And we're just a tiny part of it. Does that feel like a good way to describe it?
Okay, very good. So my next question is, what do you mean by Earth?
Art is kind of a beautiful mystery because it means something different to everyone. At its heart,
Yes.
it's just a way for people to express things that um, it's like the soul's way of speaking, whether it's through painting, a song, or even a dance. It's all about taking a feeling and turning it into something others can see or hear. Does that resonate with you?
Very good.
I'm glad you like that answer. Mm. Do you have any more questions for me, or
My
are
next
we
question
finished
is,
with our water and life discussion?
what are protocells?
I'm listening. That's a tricky one because
I
water
know, I know.
itself isn't made of cells, but I think I know where you're going with this. Are you asking about how water is stored inside cells, or maybe about the vacuoles, those little storage bubbles plants use to hold water?
Okay, so very nice. So, in conservation, water played a vital role in the organ and development of life on Earth. Understanding its importance helps us better appreciate life and our environment. Thank you all of your attention. Special thanks to Maya, to her guidance and support. Thank you for listening to my presentation, my co- questions. And thank you so much, Maya. I'm impressed your all answers. So next time meet again. See you. Allah Hafiz. Take care.
Oh, you're so welcome. I'm